What is going on, everybody? It is Fitz Miller and the 911 back here with another video. Today we are getting our fenders rolled and bringing you guys along, show you how it's all done. Without further ado, let's get right into today's video. Alright, well, if you guys haven't figured it out now, I've got some new wheels on the way for the P car. But in order to fit these wheels to plan for the future and then way down the road, hopefully get air, we're gonna need these rear fenders rolled. So how this works, jack up the car, you take the wheel off, and I have a spacer, which doesn't cause a problem with this roller, but bolt the roller on, and you'll notice we've been heating this fender for probably 20 minutes, 20-30 minutes. And we need this to be nice and soft, both for the malleableness of the metal and to keep the paint nice and not crack. So the other half of that is knowing what you're doing, but that's what Matt's for. Matt just switched to the other side. The passenger rear is done. Came out phenomenal, no cracks. Thankfully there weren't any rock chips or anything else that would have cracked. Porsche paint is generally really nice, so definitely a little bit easier for him to work on. Some Hispanic lady just pulled up in a food truck, and we got a fish plate, rice, beans, salad. I was starving, bro. And like literally the second I said I was starving, pulled up, so you know, we had to mac down. Cheers.
There you go. Fire in the hole.
That sounds good.
Thank you very much.
For the bathroom.
Thank you very much. Fucking rumbling around.
Yeah, I'm saying.
And just like that, we are all done. So once again, big shout out to Matt, the man, the myth, the legend, the magician. For real, thank you very much for your help today. Absolutely, man. But we got this thing dialed in. Again, I don't know if I'm gonna have to do the front ones yet. If we get the new wheels in and we have to, we'll be back. But now the rears, which were protruding more, are all taken care of. That's gonna be it for today's video. Appreciate you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.